Got a DII file as part of a legal document production and need to load it into review software? This format is a standard in litigation discovery workflows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use Summation load files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading DII file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. Users encountered .dii files as the character save data for the classic action RPG Diablo II. This file stores crucial information like character stats, inventory, skills, and quest progress. Players often seek to open these files to back them up, transfer them, or use third-party editors to modify character attributes. The .dii format is a proprietary binary file designed by Blizzard Entertainment. This structure was chosen to obfuscate saved data, making it more difficult for casual users to cheat or tamper with character progression. Its compact binary nature also ensures quick read-write operations, essential for a seamless gameplay experience. The best utility for a reliable viewing of DII is known to be Diablo II, resurrected by Blizzard Entertainment. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows cannot parse game-specific formats, so handling these files requires engine tools. We need to see which program correctly links to the file. Right-click the DII file and hit Open with. Test Diablo II, resurrected first. If it is unavailable, choose another application. The solution is often hidden in plain sight. If your DII file will not open, do not worry. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, loading into Summation. Install Access Data Summation or Case Logistics and import the DII file using tools. Then load file, then Summation format. Map DII field tokens to Summation case fields, and the platform indexes documents with all metadata references, images, and extracted text intact for review. Next, importing into other platforms. Modern eDiscovery platforms like Relativity Everlaw and LogicCall import DII files through their load file. Import wizards. Select the DII format, choose field mappings, and provide the path to associated native files and images for complete document loading into the review database. Finally, inspecting in a text editor. Open DII files in Notepad+ or UltraEdit to verify structure before loading. Check that field tokens are correctly formatted, document boundaries are properly marked, and file paths reference accessible locations. Fix any issues before importing to prevent load failures in review platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.